Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Join us in the studio today is the ever so wonderful Charlene Patton coming down from Topeka. Welcome back to the show. Great to have you here.
Thank you.
Got some great, exciting recipes for this month, and I'm looking forward to them. So this time, we are making a sun-dried tomato dip.
We are, and it is a recipe that the Soy Food Council is featuring for summer. And during the month of June, we're going to have all kinds of great recipes that will be great for picnics or families on the go.
Perfect.
This one has two of our soy ingredients here. This is our tofu, and what I did is I put that in the blender and made it really creamy.
Okay.
And then this is just a package of cream cheese. I'm going to start mixing this together, and you're going to add our other ingredients.
Okay.
We have some chopped onion there. It's actually dried onion, if you want to put that in our mixing bowl. And then we have some garlic powder there that is going to add some flavor. And we know with the tofu, it doesn't really have a flavor, so everything we add in here is going to give it that flavor.
All right.
This is a package of ranch dressing, any kind that you want to use. They have even some with some other flavors. You could use a whisk to mix this, but what I found, yeah, go ahead and add that in.
Right.
What I found worked really good with this recipe is that I put it in the food processor and just mixed all the ingredients in there. And that made it really nice and smooth. Now I have some dried tomatoes there. I chopped those up. That's 1/3 cup, and we're going to add that in there. Perfect. And then if you put this in the refrigerator, it will set up a little bit. But it makes a great dip for vegetables, crackers. You can see we have a display over here that I put some of vegetables that give lots of color, and go to the farmer's market this summer and you've got lots of choices there to make a healthy snack or a relish tray, something to take on the picnic. What I would do then, you can see it's hard to get that blended real smooth. So I just put it back in the food processor, just whip it up just a few seconds, and it'll be nice and smooth, and you have a perfect dip.
Yeah, it looks pretty darn good. So you actually gave me a cracker.
I did.
So now, since there's a couple of steps with that, I presume we're gonna try out this one over
see
here.
How smooth that is. See how smooth that is.
It's a lot smoother, lot creamier looking. There.
Yes, and we eat with our eyes, so it's nice to have that look where it's nice and smooth, and you don't see the chunks of the soy cream cheese.
That's pretty darn good too.
It is good, isn't it?
A lot of good flavor in there.
A lot of flavor.
Of course, as you mentioned, I'm gonna finish this here. All right, we've got a lot of great recipes coming up for the month of June. It's summertime, great summer recipes. If you missed this one, where can people go to find it?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org. They can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail them all the recipes that we're doing in June.
All right, perfect. And of course, you can find this at KOAMnewsnow.com. Charlene, thanks for coming in this morning. We will see you again next week, and we'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.